Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are quarter notes. A quarter note gets one beat. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some people may use their thumb. That's a pretty cool move, isn't it, with the pick? It's stuck. And see, when I use my thumb, even when I use my thumb, the hand is relaxed. Strumming more from my wrist than my arm. Try to focus in on that wrist a little bit. See if your wrist is doing this action or your arm. Try to get that in your wrist. Well done. And 1. Beautiful.